So I want to get back to you. You're Ada. You're Ada,
yeah.
and Ada Pakistani.
Yeah.
What side do you connect with more?
Yeah, I think I connect with both. I think what I am, what I've become, or my inner is a mixture of both.
Did you do any schooling in India?
Yeah, I studied there for several years.
You did.
Early
Does
on.
your accent switch?
It does when I go back.
It does, right? It's
Automatically.
It's a switch.
Like instant.
You can't. It depends who you're talking to.
Yeah.
Can I hear some of your English accent?
Well, you'd have to do one with me.
I can't do an English accent. I'm rather terrible at it. Is yours like received
No, mine's not very
pronunciation?
proper. Mine's far more Cockney.
Oh, can I hear it? What? Is that right then?
Or pass me a glass of water.
Do you say
What is
what?
the butter? No, I don't. But I used to. I used to talk like this.
Right.
Like if I'm speaking to my mother or my brother, who are still there, the word automatically एक वो जो
कहाँ
pinch
से
है.
है? Where is your mother from?
She's from. I don't exactly remember where she was born, but I think she grew up in a place called Radlett, which is just on the outskirts of London.
Okay, so
And,
you're still a Londoner, like you're
Yeah,
still
kind of
southern.
outskirts, you can say. Not
ठीक है,
Londoner.
Okay.
I mean, अब तो हम central के अलावा कहीं जाते ही नहीं हैं. अब तो सिर्फ central ही होता है. And because my mom is English, so when we were there, तो एक बहुत ही English किस्म की upbringing थी. And because my dad's Pakistani, तो जब हम पाकिस्तान में होते थे, बहुत एक पाकिस्तानी किस्म की upbringing थी. So I think, with the mixture of the two, I'd say I have two homes, London and Lahore.
You've been acting for a long time. I've been acting for a long time. और हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हम जितनी भी variations ले आए, जितनी भी versatility ले आए, characters में इतना फर्क नहीं होता. It's more or less the same thing, right? जो भी उस genre का होगा, if it's heroine, if it's comedy, it's going to be the same thing. जो आपकी क्राफ्ट के लिए मोहब्बत होती है, उसको आप कैसे जिंदा रखते हैं? ड्रामा टू ड्रामा. आप बोर हो जाते हैं? आपके लिए redundant कभी लगता है?
I think you'll agree with me. I think किसी भी ड्रामे में 100% तो आपको वो नहीं इंटरेस्ट करता, लेकिन I think हर कैरेक्टर में और हर ड्रामे में कुछ ना कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो थोड़ी सी हटके होती हैं, कुछ नई होती हैं, चैलेंजिंग होती हैं, which inspire you. I think the whole thing doesn't. पूरा ड्रामा आपको नहीं इंस्पायर कर सकते और बहुत सारी चीजों में रेपिटेशन होती है.
तो आप अपने आप को कैसे इंटरेस्टेड रखते हैं हर चीज में? You find something new in every drama.
I try to. I mean, वो हर दफा as I said वो completely possible नहीं होता.
आपको कोई process है as an actor before getting into a character?
Before getting into a role, कभी कभार होता है. अगर तो वही है कि उसी तरह का रोल मिला जो पहले किया हुआ, फिर तो क्या आपने प्रोसेस करना है? आपने पहले किया हुआ उसी में आप कोशिश कर लेते हो. लेकिन कई दफा मैंने परफॉर्म किया हुआ इस तरह के सीन्स या डायलॉग्स बोलने हैं कि मैंने कहा यार मैंने उस टाइम में बिल्कुल ऐसे ही किया था और मैंने इसमें भी ऐसा ही किया. लेकिन आई थिंक प्रोबेबली बीच में कोई एक आधी चीज आ जाती है जिसमें से आपको.
Are you enjoying it still?
Yeah, I do enjoy it. Yeah, I do enjoy it.
Yeah?
I think after a certain amount of time now.
Yeah.
I think I wouldn't like to brag or boast. Yeah, कोई बड़ा बोल.
It's okay, you can boast.
But I feel I'm somewhat of a master at this craft.
Of course
now,
you are. Of course you are.
I enjoy it.
Heck yes you are.
I think I know. I think they are traits and tools.
Yeah.
And methods जो आप develop कर लेते हो या आप master कर लेते हो करके.
Yeah.
And जब आप वो कर लेते हो तो आप ज़्यादा enjoy करते हो. At the same time, I think हमारे यहाँ जो environment होता है वो हर दफा इस तरह conducive नहीं होता कि आप 100% like I'm never totally satisfied.
But with the limited budgets that we have, जितना हम कर लेते हैं उन budgets में भी, I laud us for that because
No.
जो हम कर पाते हैं shoestring budgets में मतलब comparatively to India or America.
There was a BBC documentary और एक BBC reporter आया था. This is slightly back in the day जब हमारी film industry होती थी.
अच्छा.
और तब उस जमाने में ना वो रील्स को काट के ना टेप वो कैंडल लाइट के अंदर जोड़ के और फिल्म पुट टुगेदर करते थे.
अच्छा.
And that journalist went through the whole experience of Avenue Studio and Bari Studio when this फिल्में बन रही हैं. And his conclusion was कि यार ये छोड़ दें कि स्टोरी क्या है, ये टॉपिक क्या है, परफॉर्मेंसेस क्या है, जस्ट द फैक्ट कि इन कंडीशंस में ये फिल्म बना रही है, यही बहुत है.
कैंडल के साथ जोड़ के
ये होता था हमारा.
That's how it was edited and put together.
I mean, this is probably you know what how Hollywood did it in the 70s. Yeah, that's how films used to be put together.
Wow.
इसलिए वो जब वो सिनेमा में
सीता जिसे कहते
इसलिए
थे।
जब इसलिए वो जब सिनेमा में लगती थी तो वो एक फ्लिकर सा आता था
Yeah.
या वो थोड़ी सी स्क्रैचेस होती थी
I
because
so
it's all
true.
kind of done by hand and they look at it under candles, you know, कि पिक्चर्स की यहाँ शॉट यहाँ तक ठीक है, अब इसको अगला शॉट यहाँ पे
What?
जोड़ते हैं.
Yeah.
So he was like कि just the fact कि ये फिल्म बना लेते हैं बड़ी बात.
मुझे मुसद्दिक कह रहा दर्जी होते थे वो। दर्जी।
Probably film दर्जी.
Film Darzi.
what they were
Wow,
called, yeah.
That's really interesting. I'm
Yeah.
so glad to know you're so young.
Yeah,
and
well, I
just-
was like 18 or 19.
You were and so good. Did the
Yeah.
girls go crazy?
Yeah, I think
और
they did.
steps याद है आपको?
हाँ,
अभी भी?
steps कुछ याद है, हाँ.
बहुत cute. So adorable. Let's come back to your dramas because we're in the
Yeah.
drama field
Yeah,
together.
we've done one.
हमने
We've done
किया,
one,
we've
हाँ.
done a telefilm.
We've done, which was really funny. Yeah.
Yeah, it was
Kaboor.
great. It was
Yeah,
the
that was
best
funny.
telefilm.
I love my role in that best. That was
I
inspiring.
was a kabooterbaz.
You were a kabooterbaz and I was a शायर. जो ट्रकों के पीछे जो शेर होते हैं ना वो लिखता
And
था.
then we did a drama जिसमें हमारा एक साथ कोई सीन शूट नहीं हुआ था.
नहीं हुआ था. होना था apparently,
but नहीं
लेकिन
हुआ.
नहीं हो
It's
सका.
called Alif Allah और
Yeah,
इंसान.
जिसमें you were amazing.
So were you.
You were
so good.
phenomenal.
I think
But
that
you had a
was-
far more challenging character. तुम तो बिल्कुल ही एक वो सड़क पे रहने वाली थी.
But you know, because the
Chomping में,
characters
you know.
are ज़्यादा easy
And I
होते हैं.
remember तेरा मेकअप मुझे याद आ रहा है. Literally इसका मेकअप ये होता था कि मिट्टी उठाई और ये लगाया और ये इसका
Asim
मेकअप.
Talish is the genius behind it. मुझे
Yeah,
unibrow दी,
amazing.
मेरी दांतों में चीजें
मुझे याद है तेरे like धब्बे टाइप.
धब्बे थे proper.
Yeah. Like you were really and you were good.
It was but because Mikal, it was a different character.
Yeah.
That was easier to do.
Yeah.
हम ये बेचारी लड़की की variations लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. वो फिर भी आसान था मेरे लिए.
Because उसमें you know वो
आप
ये
कुछ बन सकते थे.
वो जो जब आपके पास वो atmosphere हो ना जैसे वाकई तुमने मिट्टी लगाई हुई है तो you'll feel गंदा.
You feel गंदा.
You
and
know,
you're-
then you'll act accordingly.
It
और मुझे
was-
तेरे बाल भी याद है बिल्कुल ही वो जो
अरे यार thanks. अब उसकी तस्वीर ना लगा.
वो लगाओ ना.
I think I won an award for that, but I wasn't there.
Yeah.
I think I won.
No,
a couple
you
of- but I
deserve
wasn't-
one.
Oh, thank you so much. You are known to be a complete gentleman, and I can attest to that.
Thank
Mikal is a gentleman.
Thank you.
In sets पे आपकी बहुत तारीफ होती है.
अच्छा, I'm
Do you
glad.
feel like the age of the gentleman is dying out? The chivalrous age, and do you?
Yeah,
believe
I
in
think
that?
so. I think you know you कम रह गए हैं अब.
कम
You
रह
know,
गए.
Yeah, I think कम रह गए.
But I've never heard anything bad about you. I've never experienced. I mean,
Thank
I've
you.
thought we've been friends for
Yeah.
10
Thank you for
plus
saying that.
years.
That means a lot to me.
Mashallah. And
That-
it's
that
just
means a lot
always
to me.
been
Thank you.
the most pleasant vibe.
You know,
if
and
Mikal's coming, it's a good day.
Thank you, especially with my female co-stars. I mean, this is actually something I've never gotten to say on an interview. You know, I feel very protective about my female co-stars. You
Yeah.
know, I feel you guys get a lot of attention anyway, and get a lot of bad press or jo bhi, get a lot of
lot of flack.
prying eyes. in a
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
You know, so मेरा हमेशा point ये रहता है कि I do not want to be that person. You know, I just want to be a safe place
Oh.
where we can have a mutually friendly relationship where you don't feel threatened. You know, I think that's really important. You know, it has been very important to me.
And it's
You know.
you've
Thank you.
that's
You know,
fantastic,
thank
and
you.
we're all so happy
You
that you're
know.
in this
All right.
industry.
Awesome.
We all love our meeks. I want to come to that. You are a girl dad. You have
Yeah,
two
but
beautiful
two
daughters.
beautiful daughters. yeah,
Mashallah. How
yeah.
old are they?
They're 13 and 11 now.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, they're
They're
big
getting
kids
there.
now.
They're getting
yeah,
big.
yeah,
They were
yeah.
itni si.
Haan,
I remember.
haan,
Oh my
haan.
gosh, mashallah.
Yeah, now they're itni si.
So what's it like raising them in this day and age? And what kind of a girl dad are you?
Oh, they're my bros.
They're bros?
Yeah, they're my bros.
Acha.
You know, that's how we talk. Bro, what's up? Bro, what's
Really?
happening? Yeah. We're bros. And
Nice.
they call me bro too.
They call you
I mean,
bro?
they call me dad. आजकल के बच्चे जो हैं वो इतने समझदार हैं already. उनके पास इतनी access to information है. I mean, there's been many a time कि मैंने सोचा कि यार अब वक्त आ गया ये मैं बात कर लेता हूँ, वो पहली बात हो चुकी होती है. You
Wow.
know, because they have so much information.
So do you restrict the information of screen time पे थोड़ी
Yeah, I think
restrictions
it's very
डालते हैं?
tough. I mean, you try to, but you
Yeah.
know, जब आप device एक दे दो, तो फिर आप कितना ही कर लोगे यार. We try कि वो ज़्यादा उनका exposure ना हो, लेकिन I think in today's day and age it's very difficult.
It
You know,
is.
because everything is online. It's almost a digital
It's
life.
scary though, isn't it? You have to like.
I mean, it is,
really
and it, you know,
protect
as I
it.
said, I think, you know, it is and it isn't. I think at the same time, they also have a lot of access to information, and
Yeah.
you know, I think, you know, parenting का तरीका वही है कि आपने जो आपकी values हैं, जो आपको अच्छे बुरे का पता है, आप वही इंस्टिल करते हो अपने बच्चों में, and then that's it, that's all you can do.
Are you proud of them?
And extremely,
Yeah?
you know,
They're good kids?
extremely, they're great kids.
Mashallah.
They're great kids.
You just
Blessed.
light up when you talk
You know,
about them.
yeah. They're, you know, the center of my world.
Mashallah,
For sure.
mashallah. I'm so happy to see
Thank
that.
you.
I'm so happy to see that.